Hey y'all, this is Dave with the Bomb Smokes. I'm going to make a little different video today. I'm going to show you what I had for breakfast. Now I'm not going to show you how I made it, I'm just going to go into the various foods. Now the reason I'm doing this, I'll explain in just a moment. We'll be back. We're back. Now, as you know, I'm trying to be more health conscious. I've stated that in the past, but I found out I had high potassium, or it was a little on the higher side. So I wanted to do a video on low potassium meals. Now, the object is not to eliminate potassium from my diet, it's to reduce it or to restrict it. This may or may not apply to you. If it does, fine. I hope you benefit from this video. If it doesn't, that's okay too. If you're not interested, I understand. The foods that I'm making are still good, healthy foods. You can add to them if you're not potassium restricted. But like I say, I'm reaching out. I want to do this because I know several people who have kidney disease. They're dealing with it every day. And high potassium can be a very serious problem. It can be life-threatening. According to Jill Corleone, who wrote an article in from Livestrong.com, high potassium levels can be very dangerous. And it's found in all sorts of food, vegetables, fruits, meat. It can affect your heart. Low potassium is serious too. Now, another bit of important information that I got was from the University of Louisville, and you can check that out too. They came up with a list of potassium content in all foods, different food groups, and they listed all different types of foods, the major food groups. And they gave them a number system from 0 to 15, 0 being the least, 15 being the most. So basically you can look at this list, and if you're trying to restrict your potassium, you can go on the lower end. Now if you're trying to increase your potassium, all you got to do is look at this list and go toward the higher numbers. I figure numbers 0 through 5 or 6 would be on the lower end. So basically that's the foods that, if you're trying to restrict your potassium, those are the numbers you want to look for. But right now, I'm just dealing with high potassium. So what I want to do is I'm going to make 3 videos, and I'm going to center in on breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, with that being said, let's get on with it. Here's what I had for breakfast today. 2 slices of whole wheat toast with 1 scrambled egg. I used 2 pats of butter, 1 on each piece of bread. I've got a half a glass of cranberry juice cocktail, and I've got a container of low-fat yogurt. Now, a lot of this is low on the potassium scale, and this makes a pretty good breakfast. Now, there are other options too, but this is one I chose this morning. I met a new friend. Her name's Laura. She has a great channel on YouTube. It's called Positive Bluebird. She's so colorful. She deals with kidney failure every day, and she shares her battle with us through her channel. I'll put an iCard up here, up top. Visit her channel, show her a little love, and see if she doesn't bring a little smile to your face. Hey, listen, y'all. I do appreciate you tuning in. I know this video is a deviation from what I normally do, but I just wanted to reach out and just do something a little different. But look, y'all supporters who subscribe, thank you so much. I love y'all. I really appreciate you tuning in and watching. And for those, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the red subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to leave a comment, let me know what you thought of this. If you have any questions, or if there's anything else that you'd like for me to do a little research on and do a little video on, please let me know. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see where you can leave a public comment. And please let me know what you think. And remember, folks, don't take this day for granted, because when it's gone, it's gone. Thanks again, and God bless.